Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Make.com for workflow strategy step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Make.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Keep Me Signed In box. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login attempt. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard. In case of an error, review your email and password for any mistakes. Make any necessary corrections and attempt to log in again. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you're logged in, explore the workflow strategy tools available to you. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You are now ready to create and manage your workflows on Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.